They got fired up.
Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. Here we have a 2013 YZ250f. Plastic is pretty nice. Most of it's been used up quite a bit. You can tell the radiators are pretty bent up. Small dent in the FMF pipe, but it's FMF front to back. Tires are junk, but the rims do not have any visible dings or problems, and the spokes are all pretty good and tight. Suspension seems to be working okay. Aftermarket seat. Starts, idles a bit high. It's got the Renthal fat bars. When I go to start it, remember any other parts you need for this bike or other bikes, we've got them. As you can hear, it needs a good tune-up. It does start up on the third or fourth kick, so I don't think the valve setting is an issue. I think you need some carburation tuning. Other than that, should be a solid, usable motor and components. Thanks for looking. Check below for how to get a hold of us, or look up our parts on eBay. Thanks.